Hey everybody, I'm Carl with Viola's Pantry, a local Italian market where we make fresh pastas, fettuccine spaghetti, ravioli, we make tiramisu, we make panna cotta, we got sandwiches, maritozzi buns. These are the house-made maritozzi buns, the orange cream, cinnamon chocolate, and pistachio. Here is our handmade prosciutto sandwich, which comes with our house-made focaccia prosciutto, basil pesto, arugula, our golden air cheese from Eldersley's Farm, fresh ricotta, caramelized fennel, and a balsamic reduction with just a touch of orange. If you want to catch us on Instagram at Viola_Pantry, at violaspantry.com, or on Facebook at Viola's Pantry.